Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So what you are seeing on your screen right now is a purple curly lace frontal wig. Yes, you heard me correct. A purple wig. So we're going to get into it. So first of all, let me just show you guys what this wig looks like before I install it. So this wig was sent to me by EayonHair. Also, I did not color this wig. This wig came purple from EayonHair. So I want to show you guys the inside of the wig. Now the lace looks purple, but it's not purple. The band around the wig is purple, so it kind of flows, if you will. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Now I did not bleach the knots or pluck the hairline on this wig because honestly I felt like it was going to be a waste of time because you're not going to be able to really see the knots on this wig. Now I do wish that this wig would have came with a more transparent lace instead of this super white lace, because it is going to be a little challenging trying to get the lace to blend into the skin, given that this is already a color wig. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off and play around with the hair and see what type of style I come up with. Now I do want to say this kind of reminds me of like, child, I don't know what I was doing right there, but I was really enjoying it. But this kind of reminds me of like a pixie cut. So this is definitely like an 8-inch curly lace wig. So I'm going to go ahead and do some parting in the wig so you guys can see how this wig looks. This purple is actually gorgeous. So even though this is a color wig, I am going to go ahead and style this wig like I would normally do a lace frontal wig with baby hairs. Now it is going to be a little challenging because as you can see, the lace on this wig is very light. So when it comes to blending, I just think doing some baby hairs is going to help with the blending. So yeah, that little swoop definitely helped with, you know, trying to hide the color of the lace. So I'm going to go in with some concealer to try to define that part a little bit and just kind of hide that very light lace. Now the concealer, to me, I don't know, it kind of makes the lace even lighter. So I do kind of wish that the lace was a little bit more darker because it would have been a little bit more easier to blend, and I would have been able to get the concealer to define the part a little bit better. So I'm going to just continue the process like I would normally do with my wig installs, and then I'll be back. So now that I got my hairline the way I want it, I'm going to go in with some hair mousse. I wasn't quite sure which mousse I wanted to use, but I always gravitate towards the lighter body, so I don't even know why I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. My hair is still damp, so that's why I'm not using water right now. I'm just only going in with the mousse. Also, I am noticing, and I don't know if you guys notice, my hands are turning purple. So this wig does bleed. So I'm going to just continue applying the mousse and then going in with a little bit more water just to define the curls. Then I'm going to brush out the curls, and I will be back to show you guys what this wig looks like when it is dry. honestly, now that I'm really looking at the wig in the video, this wig in this color is really pretty. The only drawback is the color of the lace. So let me tell you about a mistake that I just made. So I was going in with the hairspray trying to make the lace blend a little bit better into my skin, and what ended up happening was it turned the lace purple. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the lace color was not that color at the beginning. So just an FYI to use like glue or gel or something like that instead of using the holding spray, because it will change the lace to a darker purple. And so now that I have the curls defined, I'm going to go in and try to take off some more lace, especially where the lace turned purple when I applied the Got to Be Glued holding spray. So y'all make sure y'all don't do that. Just use like glue or gel or something like that. Don't use the spray. So yeah, this is pretty much the look. The curls is nice. I actually like this wig in this color. I just wish that it was on a different lace, but the color is nice. It's definitely a nice wig for the winter time, or even like spring or summer. Like, it's a very nice subtle purple. It's not so bright and in your face, and I think that's why I'm liking it. So my hair is still a little damp, so I'm just going to go in with a towel and just scrunch my hair. And honestly, this defines the curls even more too, by just using a towel to scrunch the hair. So again, big shout out to EayonHair for sponsoring this purple curly pixie cut wig. I'll make sure I have all the details below. They are also having a Black Friday sale, so make sure you check them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.